Let's talk about having too many rules and what you can do about it. It's a natural thing for us to gather our kids at the beginning of the year. We get our whiteboard out or our big paper, and we talk about the way we want to do our classroom. And that usually means developing some rules. So we get the kids involved, and they list things like talk one at a time, raise your hand, be nice, use kind words, and we come up with this huge list. Sometimes, though, I see those lists get stuck to the wall, and they're not revisited ever. So maybe it's time for us to kind of condense that, or I'm going to say it is time for us to condense that, because if you've been there and done that, you know that those posters on the wall tend to not get followed over the time of the class, the year. So I have 4 rules that I like in my classroom. One is, if it's against the law, you can't do it. Now, you might not have to explain that to 5-year-olds, but boy, the 5th, 6th, and up, they know what that means. You just can't do it. And if you needed to know if it's against the law, feel free to ask me. The second one is, if it's going to emotionally, feelings, or physically hurt somebody else or yourself, you can't do it. All right, that's rule number 2. You need clarification. Let's talk about what some examples might be. The third one is if it goes against our school's values. So every school has values like respect, responsibility, kindness, empathy, tolerance, perseverance, whatever those values might be, and you've defined them for your kids in your school. You can't go against them. So that's my third one. It cannot go against the school's values. And the fourth one, and really important one for kids, is that when I say no, it's over. Because that's what we're here for. We're the adults. Our job is to put the limits in place to help them learn what might be right from wrong in the environment of school. And we're the adult and they are the kids, and they're depending on that. So it's okay for your 4th rule to be, when I say no, that's it. We're done. Can't do it. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.